Everybody, I am Vijay Kumar. Today I am going to share with you the question answer of the midnight visitor. Before I would like to start the question answer session, I would like to request everybody, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Question and answers of the midnight visitor. First of all, we'll discuss the question extract based questions. Read the extracts given below and answer. First extract is over here. And as the light came on Fowler and his first authentic thrill of the day, for halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Question A. What was the turn of events? Fowler and Oswald found a man with a pistol standing in the room, Oswald's room. What did they find? They found a man with a pistol in the room. Who was the man with a pistol in his hand? Max. What was the first authentic thrill of the day for Fowler? Fowler saw a man with pointed pistol waiting in the room. This was the first authentic thrill of the day for him. Extract second. Max, he wheezed, you gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. In Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? In whose room was Max? Oswald's room. Why was he there? He had come to get a very important report from him. Question C. Where and what is Berlin? Berlin is the capital of Germany. And how has Max got in? Max has got in room by using a pass key for unlocking Oswald's room. Third extract. You are disappointed, Oswald said visually over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. You wished to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols rug in the wine. Who was disappointed with whom? Fowler was disappointed to see Oswald. Question B. Why did he want to meet Oswald? Fowler wanted to meet him because he was a writer and wished to meet a real spy to get some important clues to write down the book. Number C. Why was Fowler disappointed? Answer. He was disappointed to meet Oswald, who looked ordinary, slow, sluggish, and a very fat person who lived in a small room on the top floor of a cheap hotel. Earlier, he imagined a very smart spy. Number D. How was Oswald different from the other secret agent? Oswald, unlike other secret agents, was very fat and accent of both French and German. Question number 4. Extract base. Oswald moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I am going to raise the devil with the management this time, and you can bet on it, he said grimly. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly. Question A. Why was Oswald disturbed? Oswald was disturbed with his room's balcony window. What did he complain of? He complained of strangers entering through the window into his rooms. What story did Oswald cook up to confuse Max? Oswald confused Max by framing a story about a balcony under his window. He told Max that it was being used by people for entering his room secretly. Number D. When do you think Oswald thought up his plan for getting rid of Max? Oswald thought the plan when he encountered Max in his room. He showed a little surprise, but he was not scared. Now, some of the short types of questions here. Question 1. How does Oswald manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? Answer. When Oswald says that he had complained to the hotel management earlier as well as about someone entering the room from the balcony that was below his room, Max started thinking that had he known there was a balcony, it would have been much easier for him to get to Oswald's room. Oswald then tells Max that he wanted extra protection for the papers that were supposed to come in that day, and he had informed the police who were knocking on the door checking on time. This made Max very nervous, and he thought that he would wait for the police to go on the balcony. Without realizing, he jumped out of the window and did not realize that there was no balcony. So, the way Oswald thinks calmly and quickly makes the story a lot more convincing. Question number 2. How is Oswald different from other secret agents? Answer. Oswald was different from other secret agents in more ways than one. He had a small room in the musty corridor of a gloomy French hotel. It was on the sixth and top floor, and it was scarcely the setting for a romantic adventure. He was extremely fat in spite of living in Paris for over 20 years. He spoke French and German only, passably, and had an American accent. Instead of getting messages slipped into his hands by dark-eyed beauties, he got only a telephone call, making an appointment. In these ways, he was different from the conventional notion of a spy. Second, who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? Answer. Fowler was a writer and he had come to meet Oswald. Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day came when he saw a man in Oswald's room pointing a pistol towards Oswald and himself. Question 4. How has Max got in? Answer. Max had got in with a master key or pass key. How does Oswald say he got in? Oswald says that he thought that Max had got in through the balcony. He said that it was a nuisance as it was not even his own balcony, and that it was the second time somebody had got in using that same balcony. Thanks. This is all about the question answer sessions. Please subscribe and like. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.